Hey guys, welcome to WatchClickBuy. Looking for the best 4K cameras for your car in 2025? These high-performance models feature crystal-clear video quality, advanced night vision, and smart features like Wi-Fi, GPS navigation, and parking monitoring. Whether for daily driving or long trips, these cameras capture even the finest details with precision. Protect your vehicle and enhance your driving experience with the best 4K cameras for your car this year. If any of the products shown interest you, you'll find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So let's go find them out. 5. The Vantrue E1 Pro Mini Dash Cam delivers stunning 4K UHD video with its Sony IMX678 sensor and wide 158 degrees lens, capturing every detail clearly. Its advanced plate pick software combined with Starvis 2 and 7 glass lens enhances night vision and license plate recognition, even at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. The compact, coin-sized design makes it discreet and easy to install on any windshield. Enjoy seamless connectivity with 5G Wi-Fi and intuitive voice controls for hands-free operation. Optional LTE module allows remote monitoring and real-time communication for added security. The 24/7 buffered parking mode records crucial moments before and after motion detection with enhanced night vision. With loop recording, a durable supercapacitor, and support for up to 1 terabyte storage, this dash cam ensures continuous, reliable coverage. For the 70mm A800S dash cam delivers crystal-clear 4K front and 1080p rear recording, powered by the advanced Sony IMX415 sensor for vibrant, detailed footage. Its flip rear camera adds versatility, capturing both cabin and rear views in stunning quality. Equipped with super night vision and a 7-glass f1.8 lens, it ensures clarity in low light and challenging weather conditions. Dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables ultra-fast transfers and easy control via the 70my app, with OTA firmware updates keeping features fresh. The built-in ADAS system offers real-time voice alerts for lane departure and collision risks, enhancing driving safety. G-sensor and loop recording safeguard essential footage without interruption. With 24-hour parking surveillance, your car remains protected even when you're away. Sleek, smart, and powerful, it's a top choice for everyday and long-distance drivers. 3. The Thinkware U1000+ Dash Cam delivers crystal-clear 4K QHD footage using advanced Sony Starvis IMX515 sensors, enabling you to capture even the finest details and minimize blind spots. Smart connectivity features, including built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, allow you to access real-time collision alerts, vehicle location, and remote live footage via the Thinkware connected LTE app. Superior night vision technology ensures exceptional recording in low light, whether you're parking or driving. With advanced parking mode, the camera monitors your vehicle even while parked, conserving battery life. Advanced driver assistance features provide real-time audio alerts for collisions, lane departure, and more, enhancing road safety. Compatible with iOS and Android, this dashcam is a reliable companion for every journey. Enjoy peace of mind with superior video quality and smart security. 2. The VIOFO A229 Pro Dash Cam features dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, delivering stunning 4K front and 2K rear video quality for crystal-clear footage day and night. Its advanced HDR Night Vision 2.0 ensures precise license plate recognition even in challenging lighting and high-speed conditions. With 3 flexible parking modes, the camera offers reliable 24/7 surveillance and buffered event recording. Hands-free voice control and 5 GHz Wi-Fi provide convenient, safe operation and quick access to settings and footage via the VIOFO app. The ultra-precise quad-mode GPS logs accurate location, speed, and timestamps for detailed trip tracking. Included CPL filter reduces glare for enhanced image clarity. Built-in supercapacitor ensures stable performance in extreme temperatures, making this dash cam ideal for all driving conditions. 1. The BlackVue DR970X 2 CHLTE Plus delivers stunning 4K Ultra HD footage from the front camera and crisp Full HD from the rear, ensuring every detail is captured with clarity. Equipped with premium Starvis and Starvis 2 sensors, it excels in low-light performance and dynamic range for both day and night recording. Built-in LTE connectivity offers peace of mind with real-time video backup and remote access. Its intelligent parking mode protects your vehicle 24/7 while monitoring battery health with auto shut-off. Seamless app pairing makes setup effortless, while both cigarette lighter and hardwiring options provide flexible installation. This dash cam is the perfect blend of cutting-edge tech and reliable protection.